Today we aren't traveling far, but rather exploring what's nearby.
We came to Hall in Tirol today to have a look whether there is something worth seeing. And I know there is a mint museum that is supposed to be really cool. But as always, when you want to visit something, it appears to be closed, and not because it's Sunday, but for some other reasons. So we'll see whether there is anything worthy apart from the museum. I hope so, because I heard the town is really cute and nice, and it's like the beautiful weather today. Probably a bit too bright.
It's super easy to reach it from Innsbruck. The fastest option is by train, but we also saw a direct bus that departs once an hour. Hall's old town is like a time capsule. Here you will find narrow cobblestone streets, Gothic buildings, and little hidden courtyards. It's smaller than in Innsbruck, but at the same time it's probably not that popular with tourists and visitors, so you can have a pretty calm experience here. A big fact: Hall has one of the best preserved historic centers and is actually the largest medieval old town in Western Austria. The most famous place of the town is definitely a mint that we unfortunately didn't visit this time. Actually, it was one of the most advanced coin mints in Europe. You can still visit it today and even see old minting machines, but you should check in advance what the current open hours are. Hall's mint produced the famous silver coin called the thaler in the 15th, 16th centuries. Fun fact, the dollar actually comes from thaler, so yeah, Hall helped inspire modern money. Also, Hall became wealthy in the Middle Ages thanks to salt production. Salt was extremely valuable at that time, and it turned Hall into the most important economic hub in North Tyrol. Later on in the year, Hall will be holding some events. For example, the Christmas market, the Radish Festival, the Organic Mountain Farmers Festival, and others. So definitely check if there are any events or festivals planned at your time of visit, because it can be a really authentic experience. of the advantages to visit Austrian cities on Sundays is that they are empty, almost. And the town itself is really nice. It's like so medieval preserved, I would say. Really beautiful houses, beautiful decorations, architecture. So if you're looking like for places to visit from Innsbruck, that should be on your bucket list. I doubt that you can do much here apart from like walking and maybe visiting some museums, but still it's like a valid destination for a one-day trip. If you also plan to visit other places nearby, there is a so-called Hall-Wattens card. It's a free guest card that you can receive when staying in the Hall-Wattens tourism region. It gives you access to several benefits like free bus transfer within the entire tourism region, discounts on museums, mountain cable cars, and so on. You can receive it from your hotel or host at check-in. It was a great short weekend getaway. If you're visiting Innsbruck and still have some time, or if you're looking for places to explore in the region, Tyrol might be exactly what you're looking for. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.